Alright, so I have this iPod right here, which you guys can see the last time I make a video of this thing like what, this long ago, and you can see right here, it still works. I have 133 songs on this thing, but there's an issue though, which is at that time I did not replace a battery, and now pretty much the battery is about to die, so I got a new battery from AliExpress. Here you go. It's a new battery. I've not taken apart this thing since February, I think. So let's take it apart now. Alright, so I'm gonna try my best, like what I can remember, like how to take it apart. So I don't remember how to turn this off because I use it sometimes and sometimes I don't use it. So I think you hold it, the play button. Oh, there you go. And then you take this pry tool. So good thing mine is like scratched up, so I don't care that much. Oh wow, so you have the adhesive. There's this. Oh, okay, cool. Top. Yeah, it's gonna take like some time to put back this thing, cause I don't know, you can see right here, no, but like there's a dent right here because I dropped this thing, so yeah. Okay, it looks like we need Phillips screws. Where is it? This. There's two on the top. Oh wait, I forgot to plug this cable. Okay, that's good. I did not rip this thing apart. Cause this connector is like freaking fragile for some reason. No idea why. There we go. Now the shelf's empty. Looks like I need the bubble wrap because why not? Might as well just use it to protect the screen. So here's the battery from 2004, pretty much 18 years old. Because this thing is from 2004, it's the first gen. The second gen will put 2005, and this one's in gold, so it's only on the first gen. Looks like it's longer, so I guess that's nice. It's a bit like thinner though, so okay. And it's a bit swollen. Great. Probably gonna take some thumbnail first, cause why not? So I just done with the thumbnail, and I'm surprised that the new battery could stand because the bottom is flat. But oh, now my there we go. Well, this one, nope, because it's basically swollen, so yeah, it's not gonna stand like forever. But anyways, let's continue the video. Just gonna take this thing out again. Put this thing back. I have to take this thing out because I want to try to put this thing like easier without like gonna do stuff. So the reason I put this bubble wrap thing between the compact flash card and the logic board, which is, if I did not put that, it's gonna rattle. Remember I said this in the video? You probably don't even need this if you like don't really need. Maybe I don't need this. Well, turns out I'm wrong, and even if I put that thing, it's still gonna rattle because this thing is like way thinner than that old mechanical hard drive. It's the new battery. So looks like I gotta put it like this. That's the only way I can put it. So oh no. So yeah, I have to put it like this and like that. And here goes the battery. So oh, it turns on. There's something on the screen, but I have no idea what the heck that is. I already took it out. Great. Gonna put it again. It goes right in, and there we go. Gonna put one of these screws first so that I can put this thing in. You know what? Another one, cause why not? It's not gonna be tricky because there's a dent here, but yeah. Oh wait, the trick wheel. Hey, it works. Ha! It's gonna last for like a long time. But first, I gotta do the most important test. Alright, let's give it a shot. So I'm gonna put my 30 pin into my MacBook, and there, it's charging and it's sync as well. So I'm gonna leave this thing charged for a while. So it's been 3 weeks, and would you look at this? This is the same iPod, and hey, it still works. Only difference is now it has 441 songs. So yeah, still works. From a broken micro drive, now a battery which I've no use, but I keep it because why not? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, bye.